Hey, what's up, fam? Welcome back to Culture Blendz TV, where we bridge culture, tech, and career moves that change lives. If you're thinking about breaking into tech and you keep hearing about CRM platforms but don't really know where to start, this video's for you. Today, I'm breaking down the best CRM training path to get you ahead of other job applicants and make your resume pop, even if you're just getting started. So hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on that bell notification because this is the kind of content that levels you up. Alright, so first things first, what is a CRM? CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. It's basically a system that helps businesses manage everything about their customers, sales, service, marketing, support, all in one place. And guess what? Whether you're a tech newbie or a career switcher, learning CRM platforms is one of the fastest ways to break into the industry with real job demand. We're talking roles like CRM Admin, Sales Ops Specialist, Marketing Automation Associate, Customer Success Analyst. These are legit entry points with growth potential. Let me break down the big 4 CRMs you should have on your radar and how they're different from each other. 1. Salesforce, the industry standard. Most enterprise-level companies use it. If you want career options at large tech companies or in consulting, Salesforce is the move. Start with Salesforce Trailhead. It's free, beginner-friendly, and gives you badges you can add to your LinkedIn. Go for Salesforce Administrator certification first. It's the most in-demand entry-level path. 2. HubSpot, clean, modern, and startup-friendly. If Salesforce feels like too much, HubSpot is your best bet. It's simpler, very intuitive, and most small to mid-sized companies use it. You can learn HubSpot CRM and Marketing Hub from HubSpot Academy, also free, with official certifications. It's great if you're pivoting from marketing, content creation, or customer service. 3. Zoho CRM, budget-friendly and versatile. Zoho is low-key slept on. It's used by tons of startups and international businesses. It's affordable, customizable, and the Zoho CRM Learning Portal is also free to start. If you're looking to stand out with a platform that not everyone knows but many companies use, this could be your edge. 4. Microsoft Dynamics, the enterprise underdog. If you've worked in corporate or finance, you might already know Microsoft Dynamics. It integrates tight with Excel, Teams, Power BI, all that Microsoft ecosystem. Their learning platform is Microsoft Learn, and the Fundamentals course is a good intro. It's a strong play if you're already familiar with Microsoft tools. Quick pause, which CRM sounds most interesting to you so far? Drop it in the comments below. I read everything, and I'll even recommend personalized learning paths if you tell me your background. Here's the path I recommend if you're starting from zero. Step 1. Choose your platform. Pick one to start. You can always add more later, but starting with one helps you stay focused. Step 2. Do the free training. Salesforce Trailhead, HubSpot Academy, Microsoft Learn. These are all legit and free. Take the beginner modules first. Step 3. Get certified. Certs help prove your skills on paper, especially when you don't have on-the-job experience yet. Start with Salesforce Admin Cert, HubSpot Marketing Software Cert, Microsoft CRM Fundamentals. Step 4. Apply your skills. Practice on demo environments. Build a fake CRM setup for side project or your resume. Employers love real examples, even if they're self-initiated. Step 5. Put it on LinkedIn. Don't just list the certs. Write about what you learned, what you built, and how you'd apply it. That's what makes recruiters stop scrolling. If you're getting value from this, hit that like button and share this with someone who's stuck trying to break into tech. This might be the exact push they need. And of course, subscribe to Culture Blendz TV for more content that blends career elevation and culture-forward thinking. Let me leave you with a bonus tip. Don't sleep on CRM-adjacent skills like data visualization, email automation, customer journey mapping. Adding just 1 or 2 of these can put you miles ahead of other applicants. And remember, you don't need a fancy degree to get into tech. You just need the right strategy and the right tools. CRM is one of the most accessible entry points, and now you've got the roadmap. Catch y'all in the next video. Stay leveling up, stay Culture Blendz.